The hegemony is coming to an end. Samsung's recent endeavors show promise as the most formidable threat to Apple's unrivaled domination in years. With a 200 megapixels camera sensor and a slew of other groundbreaking technologies on their next flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung might finally have a hand over Apple, and they should be scared.
You cannot defeat me!
Cameras. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's rumored specifications reveal that Apple might lag behind in the following year. Rumor has claimed that Samsung's 200 megapixels camera sensor will be the focus of the next large phone, set to debut in February 2023. Apple makes the best cameras on the market, but the iPhone doesn't have every great camera. While the iPhone 14 Pro takes the best wide and ultra-wide photographs, it trails behind the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in optical zoom and takes stunning, enhanced astrophotography shots.
Like a picture.
The new 200 megapixels camera sensor in the Galaxy S23 Ultra is intended to work in tandem with and improve upon the capabilities of the other cameras, resulting in significantly more detailed photographs. So it wouldn't be surprising to see Samsung steal the show. In addition, the S23 Ultra's new processor, which we'll detail very soon, plays a massive role in enhancing the phone's images. According to Snapdragon, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 automatically enhances photos and videos in real time, using an AI neural network to make the camera contextually aware of faces, facial features, hair, clothes, skies, and more. Design. Apple's iPhones used to be the most stylish on the market, but Samsung and Google have since caught up.
You're gonna be left behind! You're gonna be left behind!
Apple phones used to be so attractive and elegant the competition that style-conscious people wouldn't be seen in public with anything else. Thankfully, we can put that time in the past. Similar to what's seen on the S22 Ultra, Samsung's S23 Ultra design is seamlessly sleek with a few design adjustments to the edges, camera sizes, and physical buttons. Plus, Qualcomm's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, version 3.0, will be included in the Galaxy S23 series. We don't know if it's the 3D Sonic Max sensor Qualcomm introduced earlier this year, or if it's a separate fingerprint scanner altogether. We should hope for the 3D Sonic Max, because that would be quite the treat. We're still yet to see how Apple's iPhone 15 Ultra design will play out, but we'll keep you updated with any news regarding these top brand smartphones. So subscribe to this channel and get alerts whenever we drop a new video. Performance. As we said earlier, Samsung is using the S23 Ultra's new processor to take advantage of the upgraded camera sensor. Qualcomm has been strongly implying that the Qualcomm mobile platform will replace the underperforming Samsung Exynos in Samsung's next phone worldwide. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, likely to power the Galaxy S23 Ultra, has already been benchmarked, and the results are impressive. The upcoming Qualcomm platform is the closest any Snapdragon has been to matching Apple's current chipset, according to benchmark tools that run on both the iPhone and Android. In the next year or a few, we might see Samsung phones outperform Apple's in terms of processing speed, camera quality, and more.
I can't wait for that!
The S23 Ultra is merely a start. That being said, we're confident Apple wouldn't just sit idle. In fact, recent news suggests the iPhone 15 will ship with an insane internet feature. Please find out more about it in our next video. Thanks for watching.